Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Netflix account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top, type in www.netflix.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Netflix. If you don't have a Netflix account yet, go ahead and enter a valid email address and start with your membership. If you already have an account, you can get access to it by clicking on the sign in button at the top right, entering your sign-in credentials in the text boxes. Start off by typing in your email or your phone number in the first text box associated with your Netflix account. After typing in your email or phone number, on the next field, type in your correct password for your Netflix account. If you don't remember your password and you need help, click on the Need Help link and follow through the instructions to reset to a new password. If you'd like the system to remember you on this device, check this little Remember Me box before signing in, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device for your security, and finally click on the Sign In button. Now, select your profile that you would like to log in with and enter your PIN if enabled, and you'll be able to log into your Netflix account. That is how you can easily sign in or log into Netflix by following a simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.